Hi and welcome to Edu Nilofer. So it's time for ride. आपने देखा हम कैसे उतरे, पूना आए, सब कुछ हुआ. Starting our break, we began with this woman cafe. चाय तो बनती है. Riders need their chai for sure. Caffeine kick. And this was a beautiful scenery. We were just heading to Mahabaleshwar. So this was the ride that I told you I had my helmet because of. पास फिर क्या जर्नी चलते गए नज़ारे देखते गए और ये हमें लगी वॉशरूम और भूख सो वी केम टू दिस रिफ्रेश मॉल बहुत मस्त है ये समथिंग डिफरेंट यू नो वी जस्ट हैपन टू स्टॉप वी डिडंट थिंक ऑफ इट और समथिंग and honestly it's a perfect little break you didn't know you needed a quick coffee some snacks and just stretching our legs before the ghats begin clean simple and super convenient especially when you're on a long trip ये हम पहुंचे हमारी कॉफ़ी पीने नथिंग फैंसी बट समटाइम्स इट्स दी स्मॉल पॉजेज दैट मेक द जर्नी इवन बेटर लुक एट द एम्बियंस ऑफ दिस कॉफ़ी शॉप जो मज़ा आया हम बैठे व्यू देख रहे थे व्यू तो एक नंबर था बिकॉज इट वॉज एक्चुअली जुलाई द मानसून सीजन ये हम फोटो खींचे बिना तो चलता नहीं आई लव दिस नाउ from stepping into old world charm to indulging in authentic local flavors, Mahabaleshwar gave us a day straight out of a vintage dream. Why is that so? I'll show you that also. Basically, Mahabaleshwar is a place where time doesn't rush, it pauses. We also paused because Ranishka map was not connecting, and then as a pillion, I did my job. While I was doing my job, ye nazare ahaha, nothing can beat it, nothing. जो मज़ा आ रहा था थोड़ा सा डर भी लगता है येस बिकॉज इट्स अ घाट एंड टू लुक एट माई राइट साइड आई वॉज गेटिंग स्कैर्ड ये हमारा फर्स्ट डे का स्टे हमने ऑर्गेनाइज किया था सो दिस वॉज द व्यू फ्रॉम आवर रूम जो मज़ा आ रहा था एंड इट वॉज फॉगी यू आर राइडिंग बिटवीन द लिटरली लाइक क्लाउड्स ऐसा फीलिंग आ रहा था बस फिर पहुँच के हम लोग तैयार हुए सब कुछ हुए और पहुँचे भूख मिटाने सो वी वेंट टू जाफर बॉयज़ खीमा खाया बिरयानी खाई मस्त फिर एक ईरानी आंटी गया बुरुन मस्का दबाया अंडा दबाया और फाइनली द केक मीठा तो बनता है बॉस Then it was time for some sightseeing. You see that waterfall during rainy season, you can get the best out of Mahabaleshwar. So this is the right time if you are planning any time to come to India, Pune, and the hill station you want to visit is Mahabaleshwar तो बनता है boss. बस फिर क्या we explored the beauty of classic vintage cars, soaking in those royal retro feels, then slowed things down with peaceful horse carriage. Taking this scenic hill views, look at the fountain. मतलब इसका feeling ही अलग था. I could sit here. This is the Lambretta my dad had, so I really remembered him. Of course, no trip is complete without local treats. We discovered traditional shops filled with pure desi ghee, fresh strawberry delights and homemade goodies. So that was the reminder that time journeys were slow and style spoke louder than speed. आज हम स्पीड में ज़्यादा है लेकिन मज़ा भी उतनी है आई विल नॉट डिनाई सो यू सी द मज़ा दोज माउंटेन्स विद फॉग नेक्स्ट डे वी लेफ्ट एंड ये बारिश चालू थी यू कैन सी द रेन्स एंड एवरीथिंग बट मज़ा इट इज़ फन ट्रस्ट मी यू जस्ट नीड टू गो विद द फ्लो एन्जॉय भले रास्ते ख़राब हो खड्डे आ रहे जो भी आ रहा बट यू हैव टू गो जिंदगी का काम चलना है और चलते ही रहना चाहिए In a world that's always in a hurry, this place teaches you to slow down, to savor, and to truly experience. Because sometimes the best journeys aren't about where you go, but how deeply you feel every moment. And this moment was amazing. The next day, our stay was at the Beacon Valley View. This hotel is amazing. You should see their interiors and exteriors are next level. So we were actually given an upgrade. It was really kind of them. So this upgraded room was amazing. A little rain, a lot of cold, and the perfect hill station vibe. So obviously, first plan khana. We headed to this beautiful place where we got authentic pitla bhakri, some simple, local, and absolutely soul satisfying. अकेले तो खा नहीं सकते तो we had a proper chicken thali joining the table. ये थी हमारी थाली एंड पिटला भाकरी. Now here's the thing about this place. The food takes time because auntie cooks everything absolutely fresh only after you order. So patience is virtue, my friend, if you go to eat this authentic food. And honestly, in a world of fast food, this felt like a warm hug. Then back to hotel, and they're very kind enough to even give you an umbrella if you're walking. You have to return, but of course लिया है तो देना ज़रूरी है, so don't think हर चीज़ मैं free में रख लूँ. Anyways, let's go ahead. Now this is where things got even better. The whole ambience at Beacon Valley, calm, cozy, straight up peaceful. The staff, absolute sweethearts, must say. Like, they don't just serve you, they care for you. Must, absolutely. We were really amused to see that how someone can be so nice as well. So you see their ambience, their reception when we entered and all. And the receptionist, I remember, was so happy for us, like genuinely excited. She expressed that how she dreams to go on a bike ride someday. I so hope that God fulfills her wish as well. In that moment, it just felt like more than a stay. It felt like a connection. Wherever Renish and I go, we have people who really love us. Finally, we ended our trip with grape wine. The food here, authentic Parsi cuisine, that's our dhansak. If you ever come here, don't miss their legendary crab burger. But you don't miss to subscribe, like, and definitely share here. So seriously, from foggy mornings, soulful meals, and heartfelt hospitality.